Klaviyo and Shopify together form one of the most powerful integrations available for e-commerce businesses seeking to build data-driven marketing systems, improve customer retention, and maximize lifetime value through personalized communication. And understanding how to use Klaviyo with Shopify effectively requires a clear grasp of both the technical integration process and the strategic marketing opportunities it unlocks, beginning with the foundational step of connecting the two platforms through Klaviyo's native Shopify integration, which can be accomplished by logging into your Klaviyo account, navigating to integrations, selecting Shopify, and entering your store URL along with API permissions, allowing Klaviyo to automatically sync historical and real-time data such as customer profiles, order history, product catalog, browsing behavior, and transactional events, thereby creating a centralized data ecosystem where every customer interaction becomes actionable. And once the integration is complete, the next essential step is data synchronization validation, ensuring that key metrics such as placed order started, checkout, viewed product, and added to cart are being accurately tracked, because these event triggers form the backbone of Klaviyo's automation capabilities, enabling businesses to design highly targeted email and SMS flows that respond dynamically to customer behavior, which is where the true value of the Klaviyo Shopify connection emerges, as marketers can move beyond generic campaigns and instead deploy lifecycle-based communication strategies including welcome series for new subscribers, abandoned cart reminders, browse abandonment flows, post-purchase follow-ups, win-back campaigns, and customer re-engagement sequences, all of which are powered by real-time Shopify data. And segmentation plays a crucial role in this process, as Klaviyo allows users to create highly granular audience segments based on conditions such as purchase, frequency, average order value, product categories viewed, geographic location, predicted lifetime value, and engagement level, enabling businesses to tailor messaging with precision. For example, sending exclusive offers to high-value repeat customers while nurturing first-time buyers with educational content. And beyond segmentation, personalization is another critical component, as Klaviyo enables dynamic content insertion within emails and SMS messages using variables such as first name, product recommendations, order details, and predictive analytics, making each message feel uniquely relevant to the recipient, which significantly improves open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. And speaking of predictive analytics, Klaviyo's built-in machine learning capabilities provide insights such as expected next purchase date, churn risk, and customer lifetime value projections, allowing Shopify merchants to proactively engage customers at optimal moments, rather than relying solely on reactive marketing tactics. And campaign management is another key area where Klaviyo excels, as users can design visually appealing email templates using a drag-and-drop editor, integrate product feeds directly from Shopify, and schedule or automate campaigns based on time, behavior, or triggers, while also conducting A/B testing on subject lines, content, send times, and audience segments to continuously optimize performance. And in addition to email marketing, content, send times, and audience segments to continuously optimize performance, and in addition to email marketing, and send timely text messages such as order updates, flash sale alerts, and personalized offers, further enhancing the omnichannel customer experience. And it is important to note that compliance with regulations such as GDPR, CAN-SPAM, and TCPA must be maintained when collecting and using customer data, ensuring that opt-in consent is properly managed and unsubscribe mechanisms are clearly provided, and moving deeper into advanced usage. Klaviyo supports flow customization through conditional splits, filters, and time delays, allowing marketers to create sophisticated automation sequences that adapt based on customer actions. For instance, sending different follow-up emails depending on whether a customer opened a previous message, clicked a link, or made a purchase, thereby increasing relevance and reducing message fatigue. And integrating Shopify product data also enables automated product recommendation blocks within emails, showcasing items related to a customer's browsing or purchase history, which can significantly boost upsell and cross-sell opportunities. And reporting and analytics are integral to measuring success, as Klaviyo provides detailed dashboards showing revenue, attribution, campaign performance, flow performance, and customer engagement metrics, allowing Shopify merchants to track ROI and identify areas for improvement. And attribution modeling within Klaviyo helps determine which campaigns and flows are driving the most revenue, ensuring that marketing efforts are aligned with business objectives. And beyond core features, Klaviyo also integrates with additional tools such as Facebook Ads, Google Ads, and customer support platforms, enabling data synchronization across multiple channels and creating a unified marketing ecosystem. And Shopify merchants can leverage this to build lookalike audiences, retarget customers, and create consistent messaging across paid and owned channels. And another important aspect is list growth, as Klaviyo offers various tools such as pop-up forms, flyouts, embedded forms, and landing pages that can be integrated into Shopify stores to capture email addresses and phone numbers, often incentivized through discounts or exclusive offers. And optimizing these forms through A/B testing, targeting rules, and timing can significantly increase conversion rates. And once a list is built, maintaining list hygiene is essential to ensure deliverability and engagement, which involves regularly cleaning inactive subscribers, suppressing unengaged profiles, and monitoring spam complaints. And deliverability itself is influenced by factors such as sender reputation, authentication, SPF, DKIM, and consistent sending patterns, all of which Klaviyo helps manage but require attention from the user. And from a strategic perspective, using Klaviyo with Shopify effectively requires a shift from campaign-centric thinking to customer-centric lifecycle marketing, where every touchpoint is designed to guide customers through stages such as awareness, consideration, purchase, retention, and advocacy. And this is supported by continuous data analysis and optimization. In conclusion, effectively using Klaviyo with Shopify is less about simply connecting two platforms and more about building a cohesive, data-driven marketing system that leverages real-time customer insights to deliver timely, relevant, and personalized experiences across email and SMS channels. And when implemented correctly, this integration transforms raw Shopify Store data into actionable intelligence that fuels automation. Segmentation and predictive targeting, enabling businesses to move beyond one-size-fits-all campaigns toward highly tailored,